Have you ever been in a kind of situation wherein you felt you're not belong, powerless, and being discriminated? If yes, how did you handle it? If no, what's your thoughts about it? Today, I stand here to speak about a topic that became an issue before up until now: gender equality. It is defined as the fundamental rights that every human should enjoy regardless of their gender. Women, they can't lead a community. He's a man. He can't wear makeup. He must be masculine. You're a woman. Take care of the house. I, as a man, will work for the family. Prioritize hiring men than women. They'll just become burdened with our company when they get pregnant. No, you shouldn't cry. You're a boy, remember? He can't be a good father, I'm sure, because he's a gay. Come on, let's break those stereotypes and biases that perpetuate gender inequality. Every time we hear an advocacy about gender equality, we often associate it with woman empowerment, right? But again, this is not a task for women alone. We should stand up and fight for the rights of everyone, regardless of their gender, sex, age, and races. Men and women should have the same opportunities, yet we live in a society that this is not always the case. I personally have witnessed this kind of situation when I and the two of our classmates decided to groom ourselves in Centro Malpulangi. Knowing Bisad English too, we always groom ourselves, right? Ashley, Rand, and I decided to groom ourselves there. Then, there is this one lady, more likely 50 to 60 years old, told Rand that he should not be there because it's a woman's comfort room. Maybe the lady got a little bit uncomfortable or he became uncomfortable with it. But I, personally, get a little bit sad. I tend to reflect so many things. If he uses the male's comfort room using a lip tint, lipstick, and a powder, can he still experience those things? Is that could change what happened? See? It's just a simple scenario that tells not everyone has a room to rest in. Not everybody has the same rights and opportunities and different things. In this cruel world, it is not about your gender alone. It's about creating a world that everyone has the same opportunities regardless of their gender, sex, age, and races. This gender discrimination or inequality limits us human to show our full potential and excel in different field we decided to track. And it can affect someone psychologically, especially their self-esteem, feelings, mental stability, emotional stability that either can lead to anxiety or depression for worst. And this is not just unfair, but it hampers us from the progress as a society. So, we should be that change. I believe that our generation as future educators will not just teach our students about the proper uses of part of speech, figures of speech, and everything that talks about our major. I hope that we also include teaching our future students that the respect to all humankind knows no boundaries regardless of their gender, sex, age, and races. and it is the cornerstone for a truly equitable society. This is Angelica Madrideo. Thank you for listening.